Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Trisha and you're watching Mapping Magic. The next few videos we're going to visit Schlitterbahn Waterpark. It's in New Braunfels, Texas. If you want to find out more details, you can click in the link below and you can check out their website. So today we're going to go to Schlitterbahn's East Park. It's made up of two sections. There's Surfenburg and Blastenhoff. They're really great parks. It's a really nice water park to visit as an entire family, to have aunts, uncles, cousins all join you. But also if you just want to go solo, it's a great solo day also to just check out the rides, float in the lazy river. It's wonderful. As of filming right now, Schlitterbahn is offering a season pass. It would be good through December of 2026. It's $95. It gets you into all 40 plus Six Flags parks. They're now owned by the Six Flags Corporation, and so you can get into all 40 plus of their parks around the US. My family and I are going to visit some more of the parks this year, and we really hope you'll join us on some of those trips. For now, let's get to Schlitterbahn.
All right, before we get to the Master Blaster, we're going to look at the Dragon's Revenge, which is located in Surfenburg, and it's Schlitterbahn's first uphill water coaster. It was built in 1994, and as you can tell, it's all dragon themed, and there's castles and knights and all kinds of fun things. Let's check it out and see what Jenna can get into here. I'll also add that here at the Dragon's Revenge in Surfenburg, it's going to be pretty busy. So if you get to the park early, I would do this one first. I just love the theming of this, all the lights and smoke and mist and the dragons that are around. They just did a really good job at making you feel immersed as you're going on this crazy ride. Okay, time to relax a little bit as we make our way down the hill. We'll float down a bit here, just chill out for a minute. As you can tell, there's quite a bit to do at this park. There's tons of kid attractions. If you want to relax, you've got the Crystal River that you can float around in. There's also the Boogie Bond, which we'll see in a little bit. Plenty of things to do. All right, we're here at the Boogie Bond area now. And this is basically where you just hop on this board here and see how long you can stay on. Let's see if Jenna gets wiped out or if she can hang on there for a little bit. It's a lot of fun, and there's a lot of different people that can stay on here a lot longer than she can, but she did good. All right, we're heading over to Blastenhoff, which is a park that's right next to Surfenburg. You can walk right over there. It's got all kinds of attractions like the Black Knight, the Master Blaster, of course, Wolfpack, which you can have up to 3 people in, all kinds of kid areas, places to lounge out and just relax, tons of picnic tables. It also has almost like not a lazy river, it's the torrent, and it's a wave pool type of lazy river. Let's pause a second and listen to some of the sights and sounds of this thing. All right, here we have some of the cabanas here, which you can rent out. They're priced differently. I would go check out the website and see how the packages break down. I haven't used it before, but I've heard a lot of fun things, and these cabanas are scattered all over the park and you want a little more privacy. It's time for the Master Blaster, and this one is, in my opinion, the best water ride around, or at least that I have been on. It was built in 1996, and it's over 1,000 feet tall, and it lives up to that height. It is a fun ride. You're going to get water thrown at you from every angle, and it's got the frills that you would expect. It's a ton of fun. I would highly recommend that you do this one first because it will be probably the busiest ride all day long. It has a pretty consistent long ride, so. But if you get there early enough, you might be able to cut down your wait time a little bit. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to leave a comment on what your favorite part of the video was, and also look forward to our next video Schlitterbahn Part 2.